Hi, I'm Brian and this is Ben. We're from Round Truck and Trailer Sales, and we're going to show you how to measure your cab to axle and frame rail. First, we're going to start with your cab to axle.
When you put your tape measure on the back of the cab, pick the furthest point back on the sheet metal of the back of the cab. So I'm going to go about right there.
Alright, so when you're measuring this part, you want to make it right about the middle of the axle. So using my hand to help guide it, I'm at 108 inches. Next, we're going to go to your frame rail width. Now these two measurements are very crucial to pick out which bed you want. Now if you get the wrong measurements, you can get an incorrect size for your bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the outside of the frame to the other outside of the frame. So with this, I measure 34 inches with the frame. One thing about purchasing a bed, you want to make sure you have your cab to axle and your frame width, so you can call us in and talk to one of our trained professionals in our sales department to help find the right bed for you. Thank you.